Kids drawing and learn.
Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Green color, orange color, violet color, purple color, dark blue color, yellow color, light blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for house. I. I is for ink. J. J is for juice. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lamp. M. M is for man. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for sun. T. T is for toy. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra.
Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.